Hi guys, welcome to Shields Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate chocolate banana dessert. It's going to be a chocolate mousse filled with caramelized banana and topped off with a chocolate galette, some chocolate crumble, caramelized white chocolate, and to top it all off, a beautiful hot chocolate sauce. So, it's a lot of chocolate, so we better get this party started. We're going to begin with the caramelized white chocolate. First, spread 200 grams of white chocolate on a silicone sheet and bake them at 160 degrees Celsius for around 20 minutes till golden brown. Once it's golden, transfer 120 grams into a blender and also add 80 grams of milk and 2 grams of salt. Now blender this till it's completely smooth. After that, put it in a piping bag. Now the chocolate sauce. Pour 300 grams of double cream into a saucepan and bring this to a boil. Once it's boiling, turn off the heat and add 150 grams of dark chocolate and 40 grams of the toasted white chocolate. Now mix this till it's completely smooth and then keep it in your fridge for later. Then the caramelized banana. Start by cleaning 2 bananas and then cut them in half. Now transfer 70 grams of sugar into a pan and caramelize this on a medium heat. Then add the bananas flat side down together with 40 grams of butter and 2 grams of salt. Let this caramelize for 2 minutes. Now add 70 grams of double cream and reduce this for another 2 minutes. Then transfer this in an oven dish and let it cool down in your fridge. After that, mash it a little bit so it still has some texture. Now the crispy sprinkle leaves. Lay a couple of sprinkle dough layers on your worktop and let this dry for 5 minutes. Then use a paper puncher to cut the sprinkle dough into the desired shape. Now cut off the sides and repeat this process till you have used all the dough. Transfer the leaves onto a tray and bake them at 160 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. After baking, add a touch of coloring powder and mix this till all the leaves are covered. Then the chocolate mousse. Start by soaking 2 leaves of gelatin or 3.3 grams in some cold water. Then pour 100 grams of double cream into a saucepan together with 50 grams of ginger syrup. Bring this to a boil. Once it's boiling, turn off the heat and add your gelatin and 200 grams of dark chocolate. Mix this well and then transfer it into a bowl. Now pour 230 grams of double cream into a bowl as well and whip this until it's a yogurt thickness. Then carefully mix the whipped cream with the chocolate ganache. Fold this together until it's completely incorporated. Now pour it in a piping bag and fill your desired mold with the mousse. Tap the tray a couple of times and then let it set in your freezer. Now for the chocolate galette. Start by mixing 100 grams of butter with 100 grams of sugar, 2 grams of salt, 100 grams of almond powder, 80 grams of flour and 60 grams of melted dark chocolate. Mix this until it's a nice dough and then spread it on a silicone sheet. Bake it at 160 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Mix it every 5 minutes and then let it cool down completely. Then take some chocolate and melt it in a microwave or on a double boiler till it's 45 degrees Celsius. After that, mix in enough chocolate to cool it down till it's 31 degrees Celsius. The process that we're doing right now is called tempering. There are many different ways, but this is the easiest one. Once it's tempered, pour some on a plastic sheet and spread it. Now quickly sprinkle a thin layer of the crumble on top before the chocolate starts to set. Then use a big round cutter to cut the galette and then let the chocolate set out of the fridge for half an hour. After that, we can start to plate. First, put your chocolate mousse on a plate and fill the middle with the caramelized banana. Let this defrost. Now transfer the chocolate galette on a tray and drizzle some of the caramelized white chocolate on top. Then put it on the chocolate mousse and decorate it with the crispy spring roll leaves. Meanwhile, heat up your chocolate sauce on a low heat, and when it's hot enough, transfer it into a saucier and pour just a little bit of the sauce on the middle of the galette. Would you look at that? Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. So please let me know in the comments on what you want to see next. Like and share the video and subscribe if you want to support my channel and see more amazing cooking videos. And as always, bon appetit!